Okay, so I'm here with Nir Hollander. Nir runs the Mobile Network Services division at Amdocs. Nir, great to see you.
Gabriel, great to see you.
A pretty big division under your control. Tell us a bit about what you do.
Well, as you know, Amdocs is well known for mainly IT practices and around product and services, but at the same time we have quite a big practices around the network services. The Mobile Network Services division that I run is working on providing our customers with different kind of services and practices from planning and design for RF and deployment, rollout of 5G, optimization as well, operation, as well as managed services. We provide this for most of our big telcos that we're working with. We're focusing on what we call traditional services around 5G, 4G and 5G rollout, but also when we see that services are evolving or the technology is evolving, we're also getting into the virtual RAN, vRAN services, as well as Open RAN, because now when the network is disaggregated, there is kind of a different type of services that is needed. The IT and the network are a bit converging and we have to adopt it as well. And one of the things that I really encourage in my division is, and in general in Amdocs, is innovation. And we're trying or making effort to innovate around new services. Some of them are like asset digitization, which is taking drones, autonomous drones that are actually flying and creating digital twins of the CSP's assets, and then creating reports and helping them in generating more revenue, as well as new services around ESG and environmental stuff, energy saving and so on. We are doing the services using our own tools and products, so it's kind of IP-led.
But I wanted to drill in on NPN, non-public network, or mobile private network, as some people call it. What's Amdocs' role there?
Based on the research that we know that 90% of the CSPs already have some kind of plan or already started execution on mobile private network. We also see that about 60% of them are saying that they need a specific know-how or a specific expertise in the industry for running private networks or building private networks in the right way. And this is where we come into play. We come with a big know-how of the industry and the CSPs of the telco industry. Since we are also going to virtualization, there are many partners that you need to connect. And we as an SI can connect them and build it in the right way. We have quite a big team and experts around planning, designing, rolling out and optimization of networks. So this is a big advantage for us. We are taking an end-to-end accountability, and Amdocs is known for that, and we are also doing it on the private network domain. So we're taking care of the end-to-end mobile private network area for the CSP, which is also an advantage, which we are actually tailoring the solution for each one of the CSPs, be it on the RAN or be it on the core, on the security or the different applications. So we can actually fit the right solution for the right CSP, and bringing the right partners to do it with us, including hyperscalers as part of the go-to-market.
Yeah. How can you help the sort of, as it were, the commercialization, the scaling phase here?
So first of all, we have the ability to scale up. We are not necessarily starting with the huge private networks, but there are all kind of enterprises, and we go with CSPs to these enterprises to offer the right solution. And at the same time, I believe that time to market is an essence, and vendor locking is also one of the issues that our CSPs have. And we can be much faster in deployment of private network and operations. We do operations for huge amount of customers in different areas. So this is one big advantage that we have. And then we can also scale up. So we can start small or start with a specific private network for an organization and then grow together with them. At the same time, we also develop IP around managing portals. So if a CSP needs to actually see what is going on and have different KPIs to measure on the different private networks that he has in the organization for different enterprises, he can do that as well. And we also provide this managed portal for enterprises as needed. So taking our SI capabilities, our scalability capabilities, our know-how, as well as our ability to work with many different partners and really shorten the time to market to build such private network, I believe that it can be a huge opportunity for us, as well as helping our customers and the CSPs.
Good stuff. Thank you, Nir.
Thank you, Gabriel.